Hi, my name's Andy Davis. I'm the Director of Product and Services at Sound, and we're here at our ISE booth in 2025 where we're showcasing ULTRA-X80. It's the first time this product has been in Europe at a trade show, and we're really excited for our customers to get the chance to see this amazing product ahead of the chance to hear it later in the year as we roll out demos across the world. X80 is the latest in the Ultra X family. It's a large format point source, and it takes everything that our customers know and love about the X20 and the X40 and scales up into larger venues and larger applications. What we're doing with this family is creating something really flexible, making it super easy to deliver powerful, precise, fantastic sounding audio for many different solutions. It's great for rental, great for fixed install, and it can really make a huge difference both on budget and performance in so many different applications. If you want to know more, find out on mayasound.com or contact any of our sales team around the world. We'd be really happy for you to hear and get more information on this product this year.